Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So in a ways, I still think this looks like a WXY, and if it is a WXY, it still will go up and make this take out these previous highs. But it is a very impulsive move down, so I mean, we definitely have a couple different options here. It does kind of look like it wants to go down and maybe do something like that before it actually does end up continuing back up. Either way, it doesn't really matter to me because I'm just going with the flow on sort of time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, the trend is definitely still up because this move down right here has not taken out this low. So this move down still could possibly be a crutch into this move up right here. Now, don't get me wrong, it does kind of look like an ABC, and it does kind of look like it potentially could go down and do this, but I always like to keep both options in mind. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we just hit the 78% Fibonacci retracement level today. I definitely think this is all still a trend. It's either a wave A of an ABC crutch into this move down, or it's a wave 1 of like probably something like this, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So either way, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still down. I mean, if you've been following my videos, I've been telling you pretty much ever since the break of starts way up here several weeks ago that we should be doing nothing but looking for shorts in a downtrend. So if you've been following along with my videos, you probably had some very profitable trades over the last few weeks. I definitely think this is a 1, 2, 3 right here since the last end of a correction right there. So I don't even think it's over yet. I mean, I still think that we have more downside potential to finish off the trend that started at the end of this last little subdivision correction right here. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So for me, the last structure level is still way up here because that was the last correction. It does look like it could be a wave 4 and this could be a wave 5, and it possibly could do like a 3, 4, 5 break structure and go up and do that over the next couple days. For me personally, I'm still not going to even try to go long until I get that break of structure, and then even when it does break structure, I'll probably wait for the pullback and then I'll go long after the pullback that follows the break of structure. Because even though it looks like it wants to go up and it looks like it's overextended, there's really nothing saying that this couldn't do something like this, make a crutch into these last move down and make another lower high and just keep on trending down. I highly suggest looking for three-way pullbacks still to look for sorting opportunities. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. Even this over here, it's a little messy, but 1 and then 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. People definitely overcomplicate trading. The trend will be over whenever the trend is over. The trend will be over when the market tells us the trend is over by breaking structure on the correctly tuned time frame. Until that happens, I really suggest looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.